Hey guys, for today's makeup video I will start with my serum and then I'll apply Grwm moisturizer cream, which is very good, and this is the new primer which I bought from Instagram. So next I'll mix two different foundation. One is from MAC and second one is from Wet n Wild. I have mixed those foundation and applied all over my face and blending it with the brush, and then I'm using the damp blender. And then next I'll move to the Maybelline concealer and apply it all over my face where I need it, and just blending it with the damp blender. Next, applying Sapphire translucent powder all over my face to block the foundation. This is my favorite Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I am setting up my eyebrow. And with this shade I'm just adding all over my eyelid, and then I'll move to Swiss Beauty palette, and from there I have applied yellow shade. Next I'm using Maybelline Colossal eyeliner and create a sweet and simple wings, you can say, and you just take the help or idea from this video and create a good wings, guys. So next I'm taking two different glitter eyeshadow liquid and adding the eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, over the liner. You just need to do this like the way I'm doing. And then a little bit mascara from Colossal, and Nykaa kajal I have applied, and after that with the help of the angle brush I am just smudging it out like this way. And little bit contour I am applying, and for bronzer I am adding Wet n Wild bronzer kit. For with the help of the Swiss Beauty highlighter I am adding little bit of highlight all over my face where I need it. And then this is the Sugar Crayon lip color. I am adding little bit of as a blush on, and some more highlighter on inner corner of my eyes. And then I am adding Glam 21 lip liner, and this is my favorite lip shade, as you know. Over this shade I am adding Sugar Crayon shade, and I am ready. So I hope this look you will like it, and if you like it then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. My Facebook page you can follow for more such videos. Stay tuned with me. Bye bye.